So I started by taking all of these different pieces and cutting a 45-degree mitered angle on each point, and then going back and measuring what the actual size of each one needed to be. Now this frame was to hold a picture that was 11 by 13, so I made my frame to overlap a quarter inch all the way around, which made me make the outside of the frame 12 by 15 inches. After everything was cut, I took some painter's tape and some wood glue and used the painter's tape as a makeshift clamp. And using a carpenter square, I wanted to make sure this was going to be square, so I put it in the corner, set it really nice and tight, and then I used some weights to hold it down nice and steady while it dried. Now if you don't have weights, you can decide to use paint cans.